Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create an Instagram business page. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have Instagram already open, and I already have a separate, Instagram account that I want to convert into a business page. If you don't have a separate Instagram account or you need to create one from scratch, all you do is go to download the Instagram app or go to Instagram.com and then follow the steps to create an Instagram. Once you've created your Instagram, you can follow these steps that I'm going to walk you through to make it a business page. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your profile, which I'm already on, but you can click on the bottom right hand corner profile icon to get there. And next we're going to go to edit profile. And underneath at almost the very bottom, it says switch to professional account. So we're going to click on that. And it's telling you can get a free account. We're going to continue, 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 continue. And it's just basically just explaining what you're going to get from this business account. The first thing it asks for is to select a category. What is this account going to be? Are you a professional artist, writer, editor, hair and beauty, restaurant, whatever you are? So I'm going to say that I'm an artist, let's say. And then it asks, do you want to display this on your profile? It will say right under your name, like this is a artist profile. So you can say yes or no. Don't worry, you can change that later too. And we'll push done. And then it's asking, are you a creator or a business? This first one, the creator, is for like public figures, artists, like we chose the last category, influencers, content producers. Business is for retail, local business, brands, organization, stuff like that. So we're going to click creator. Next. Now it's asking to follow a couple steps to complete your profile, to invite friends, share photos and videos. It will walk you through how to explore different professional tools, what are insights, what are promotionals, and it's saying I completed that task. Anyways, and so now we're good to go. Keep going. It's just saying you can go through and add these things. So once we're done with that, we can exit out of that. And now my profile is switched over to a professional business profile for an artist. So right under my name, it says Michaela McMaster, and this says artist. And then basically the new functions of this profile, we have new buttons. Next to edit profile now, it says promotions and insight. You can click on insight, and it will track, what you've posted, who's been watching it. You can see what your activity is there. You can go back. You can look at promotions and see how to promote. Is your promotions working? High engagement promotions, just to see and track what you're doing. We can go back, and that's basically it. So it's very easy to do, and you can always go to edit profile and then change the category here, or change it from being hidden. Do I want nobody to see that it's a business profile? I just want to be able to track, my insight and my promotions, so I can turn that off. It's done, and so nobody now can see, the artist went away here at the top. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.